In this video, we'll be showing how to create a daily schedule for Ubiquity Cloud using our standard scheduling interface. So to access that interface, you just from the site homepage, go right here to the scheduling icon and click on that, and that will open up the scheduler. Now, first thing we want to do is we want to name that schedule. So we're going to call this HVAC schedule, because we're going to apply this schedule to any of the HVAC controls on the site. Next thing we'll do is schedule the weekdays. So you've got options here for fully unoccupied, 1 occupied period, 2 occupied periods, or fully occupied. Now we're going to go with the standard most used option, which is a single occupied period during the day. We'll start this off at 8 a.m. and then we'll go till, let's say, 6 p.m. at night. So what this will do is between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m., it will use the occupied set points for heating and cooling. And then from midnight to 8 a.m. and then 6 p.m. to midnight, it will use the unoccupied heating and cooling set points. Now let's say that we want to extend some of these hours, so we'll hit the schedule by day, and you'll see how that was all duplicated for Monday through Friday. But we'll say that we want to extend the hours till 7 p.m. on Thursday. Let's say this is a bank, for example, and it has a little bit longer hours on Thursday. We want to schedule Saturday too, so again, we'll select 1 occupied period, and we'll go from 8 a.m. Until 2 p.m., closing early that day. And we're not occupied at all on Sunday. So there's our 7-day schedule. We'll go ahead and go to the bottom of the page then and click the submit button, and that'll save that schedule. And if you want to check that out, just again from the site homepage, hit the scheduling button, and that'll take you right back to the scheduler, and you can see right here from the drop down, there's your HVAC schedule. So in subsequent videos, we'll show how to add a holiday schedule to this 7-day schedule, how to apply this schedule to a single controller, how to use our global scheduling to apply it to multiple controllers, and how you can also go in and modify or even delete an unused schedule. So until then, we'll see you in the next video.